2019 Porsche 718 Boxster Spyder Spy Shots. Porsche's 718 Boxster also Cayman need barely gain those GTS medication. Yet the German sports auto marque will be generally attempting on the following rung up those ladder, the new 718 Boxster Spyder also Cayman GT4. Indicated here may be a model for the Boxster Spyder. The auto is, no doubt, produced close by another Cayman GT4, furthermore ought to make its debut soon, similarly as in 2019 model. It's not difficult will spot this as the Spyder because of the trademark back humps behind what's very nearly specific on be a moderate lodge. Those top will additionally make exceptional of the Spyder, decided because of its streamlined configuration and lightweight properties. The configuration is a tribute of the 718 Spyder starting with those 1960s. Those standard Boxster also Cayman would fit it only for turbocharged flat 4 engines, yet the more intense variants need 8 expected will run regularly aspirated flat 6 engines, only like their antecedents. That's the saying of Porsche specialist Admirable Achleitner, who will be in control of the 718 what's more 911 sports auto lines. Acknowledging the most recent Spyder went for 375 horsepower, to the extent that 400 horsepower might make it under those new you quit offering on that one. The thing that isn't thereabouts clear may be if there will be a dual clutch transmission accessible this time. Previously, those auto might have been advertised only with a manual. Anticipate those 0 to 60 miles per hour occasion when with methodology 4.0 seconds and the highest point velocity will lie someplace over 180 miles per hour. Different upgrades will incorporate brought-down suspension, that's only the tip of the iceberg. Combative aero unit for bigger intakes, also uprated brakes, what's more honed guiding. Creation will a chance to be limited, thereabouts whether you're intrigued by stopping one on your garage you preferred begin cozying dependent upon your nearby Porsche merchant. These extraordinary additions commonly offer route quick. Remain tuned to updates, likewise improvement proceeds.